Okay, so just to revise, here again you have a resistor, and when you see three colors as shown over here, that's the color 1, that's the second color, and that's the third color, and then with some distance you have fourth color. So there are total four bands. One is called as band A, band B, band C, and band D. And as you can see, the band A color, just write the first digit from the table, refer to the previous module video. When you see the second color, write the value of that color as a band B. When you see the third color, say it is a band C color, and that is your multiplier. So you have a brown color, so brown has a value from the table is 1. You have a red color, red has a value from the table which is 2, and the brown is the third color again here. So instead it has a multiplier of 10 to the power 1, so 12 into 10 to the power 1 will be the value. So 10 to the power 1 is 10. So 12 into 10 is the value of the resistor, that is 120 ohm. And finally you have a yellow here. So yellow, you will have to go to the color code table and see the tolerance of that one. It's not actually yellow, it's a gold. So gold has a 5% tolerance, so the tolerance of this resistor would be 5%. So the value of the resistor is 120 ohm based on the colors, and it has a tolerance of 5%.